In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Shopify stores and owner information. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in your Shopify admin to see who owns the store and how to view user details, all in a quick and simple flow. Start by opening your Shopify admin in a browser and signing into the store you want to work with. If you manage multiple stores, double-check that you're in the correct one before you continue. You'll land on the Shopify admin home, where you can see your dashboard. From here, we're heading straight to the place where account level settings live. Look to the bottom left corner of your admin and click Settings. It uses a small gear icon and opens a dedicated page with all your store and organization controls. This is where Shopify keeps important configuration options, and it's the safest path to anything related to staff access, permissions, and ownership. If your interface looks a little different, that's normal. Shopify updates layouts from time to time, but the settings gear is consistent and always takes you to the right area. Inside Settings, select Users. In some accounts, this may appear as Users and Permissions, but it's the same destination. This page lists every user with access to the store, including staff, collaborators, and the store owner. You'll usually see each person's name, contact, email, role, and a quick snapshot of their permissions. If your list is long, use the search bar at the top of the page to find someone quickly. If you don't see users, your account might not have the access required to view this area. In that case, reach out to an administrator or the store owner for the necessary permissions. Next, click on the user you want to open. This brings up that person's profile, where you can view their details in one place. Here, you'll typically find the user's name, email, role, and the permissions they've been granted. If you're looking specifically for store ownership, look for an indicator or label that identifies the store owner. Note that only users with appropriate permissions can edit another user's access. Otherwise, you'll be in a read-only view. This is by design to keep your store secure. And that's it, really easy and simple. To recap, open your Shopify admin, go to Settings, select Users, and then open the specific user to see their information and identify the owner. Keep privacy in mind and only access what you need. If something doesn't appear, it's usually a permissions issue that your admin can resolve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.